Heat oil in a pot and fry our carrots and potatoes. When slightly cooked, transfer in a plate and set aside. On the same pan, let us cook our chicken until slightly golden brown or 5 minutes on each side. Flip the chicken after 5 minutes. And to tell you, the fire must be on a low setting. And let it rest for just a little short time in a plate. Using a rice cooker, let us cook 2 cups of basmati rice. The ratio of the rice and the water is 1 cup of rice to 1 and 1/2 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix. 3 boiled eggs which were cooked earlier, and in a bigger pan, let's put some of that oil we used in frying our potatoes, carrots, and chicken. And let's put back our chicken. Onions, tomatoes, tomato paste, garlic, ginger, chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of curry paste, salt, ground black pepper, and then mix. Add 2 cups of water and let it boil for 5 minutes. Put the potatoes and carrots. Place the rice. And mix. And now guys, let me introduce to you our recipe for today, our Pinoy style chicken biryani. Let us put it in a serving tray. And so, eto na po yung ating Pinoy style chicken biryani. Yan, nakalagay na po sa isang serving tray, topped with our hard-boiled eggs, fried raisins, and some onion leeks with lemon, kung type nyong pisikin ng lemon. Thank you sa lahat ng nanood nitong aking demonstration of my biryani. Please subscribe and comment, like and share, and click that bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.